Good morning and welcome back to Jody Lewis Creations. This is going to be just a very short video. I am still working on my Christmas in July project. I am 48 hours out of surgery, and I just wanted to pop on and tell you guys how much I appreciate the well wishes and the follow-ups for how are you feeling, how are you doing. I am still in pain, but that's to be expected 48 hours after surgery. Today seems like maybe it's a little bit better, so that's encouraging. So yeah, I wanted to say thank you for the grace that you guys are going to be showing me, because I had filmed way ahead. I have filmed way ahead on my series here because I thought we were leaving. And so I was filming ahead to have videos for you guys when we were gone, but as we all know, that plan got changed. And but it's still good that I was able to film ahead, because I'm almost actually done with this project. Today is July 11th, so I will set this to air for you in the morning. I did, like I said, I just wanted to pop on and say thank you for your grace and kindness throughout the month. And I do talk about my foot periodically. It's just been a big life game changer. And so I wanted to apologize and for talking about my foot so much, and give me grace in the upcoming videos, because as it got closer to surgery date, I was like, oh my gosh. So there's that. But then also, just again, thank you so much for your kindness and your well wishes. It's just been absolutely wonderful, and I appreciate it. You guys are just so supportive and encouraging, and I love it so much. So enough about that. Just a sincere, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And I have super exciting news. So at some point in the series, I don't know what video it is, you will hear me super excited because I got some really good news. Well, some of you already know what it is because you commented that apparently you've already seen the good news. But you are listening to a new member of Tracy's design team. So you guys know I love working with the, oh, that's super cute on there. I'll tell you what I'm trying to do. Where I cut this, I don't think that's aired yet. Anyway, I cut my page. And so I'm trying to figure out how to cover it. And this is a phrase I believe is from Kyung's kit from last year. And so I'm just trying to embellish this, and it was good I watched this video back because I forgot that was a pocket. But anyway, so I just want to put something on this flap, and I'm just trying to put something here that's not really going to take away from our phrase. But now I'm thinking maybe just a little bit of lace across there will be fine, because you really can't see it that much. Yes, I'm chasing squirrels. Anyway, so yeah, Tracy messaged me last weekend, I want to say it was, and sorry about that. Mark came up and I thought he was going to talk to me. So, how dare he? No, I'm just kidding. So what I'm thinking is I just want to add a little bit of something to peek out of there, but I think that's too much. So no on that one. And I put the other one down. And I have this one. And I love this stuff, you guys. I love it, love it, love it. I'm still trying to look for the glittery tool you can get at Dollar Tree. That is the fall tool with the leaves. I have not been able to find it. I've seen other people use it, but it's not something I have been able to locate in my Dollar Tree. And I'm like, why can't I find this? So hopefully I'll find it this year, because it's beautiful and I really want some. So I think I'm just going to cut that there. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, the design team. So yeah, I was super excited. Tracy messaged me if I was interested, and I was like, what? I was just blown away. And anyway, so I have to figure out what I'm going to work on. I have an idea for, well, I know I want to do one particular project, but I'm waiting to hopefully be able to order that stamp set I've been dying to get. But Mark says I haven't sold enough stuff to buy the stamp set yet. So hopefully I will sell something else and then have the money to buy the stamp set. But anyway, so yeah, okay, I like that. That's just gonna put a little bit of bling back there. I can still see that damage, but it just is what it is. And maybe we'll still put like something, I don't know. I like this. I like this down here a lot because the colors just kind of flow. So if I push that up a little bit, we'll glue that there. And then that's all I came on this video to say, really, was that I'm doing okay after my surgery. I'm trying not to flip around very much because I have 10 or 11 videos uploaded for you guys. This is just a bonus that I'll throw on for tomorrow just to give you an update about surgery, to thank you for your grace and your support. And just like I said, the well wishes have been so wonderful. And this is such a wonderful community, and I'm so grateful for you guys. So thank you so much. And yeah, I'm just really excited. I wanted to share the good news with you about the creative design team. That's a wonderful shock to my system. I couldn't believe it. She's like, yeah, I've been watching you. And I was like, you've been watching me? So that was really good news. And so yeah, but anyway, so I'm going to just continue to work on this a little bit. I'm not going to overdo, but I just wanted to get some things put in some pockets today. Trying to make some progress here. I think we're pretty close to being done. Of course, there's always the gluing and drying time that adds more time than we think when we're doing these things. Maybe if I put like a little red bow there. Yeah, we're gonna do it. My glue is goobering. But yeah, so anyway, that's it. That's what I wanted to say in this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. And I do have, like I said, I think I am scheduled with Christmas in July through July 27th, I think. So I'm in the middle of filming an ephemera video, and then I was like, oh my gosh, I haven't even figured out what I'm going to do with the spine. So that will probably be the part of the ephemera video. I'm not going to film too much more of putting stuff in pockets, and there's not very much as it is. And then we'll figure out what we're going to do with the spine, and then I'll have the final flip through. So that, yeah, is going to take us through the end of the month. So thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate your support. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're all working on something that just brings you a lot of joy and happiness. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.